In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send an email using Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're new to Outlook or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application. If you're not already there, go ahead and locate it on your computer, or perhaps you have it bookmarked or placed conveniently on your desktop for quick access. Once Outlook is open, you should find yourself on the main screen. Now let's navigate over to the Home tab. This tab is filled with a wide array of options, all designed to help you manage your emails efficiently. From here, we're going to focus on creating a new email message, so you'll want to click on New Email. This is where the foundation of your email is built, from composing the body of the message to adding those all-important subject lines. Once you've clicked New Email, a blank email window will appear on your screen, ready for you to fill it with your message. This is your opportunity to draft whatever it is you need to communicate. You'll see fields for the recipient's email address, the subject line, and of course, the main body of the email. Take your time to enter the relevant information, keeping in mind clarity and purpose in your communication. Remember, an effective email is usually concise but contains all the necessary details. If you're sending a document or another type of file along with your email, the Attach File feature under the Home tab will come in handy. Click on it and you'll have the choice to either attach an item directly from your email or browse your PC to find the specific file. This versatility is one of the strong points of using Outlook for your email needs. Once your message has been composed and any necessary files have been attached, you're just about ready to send your email off into the digital world. Make sure to give everything one last proofread, checking for spelling errors, ensuring you've included any attachments you mentioned, and that all recipient information is correct. These steps can seem minor, but they make a significant difference in maintaining professionalism and ensuring clear communication. With everything confirmed, you can now confidently hit that Send button. And there you have it, folks. Sending an email through Microsoft Outlook is as simple as that. It's a straightforward process, but these steps ensure that your communications are effective and professional. Thank you for joining today, and we hope this guide to sending emails with Microsoft Outlook has been helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the digital world.